In this video today we'll see how to easily create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So for this purpose I have created this database where I have name, age, gender and then address. So what I will do is I will select this gender column up to where I have the names entered. Then I will go to data validation, select data validation, and under this allow I will select list. Now if I have only few options, then I can type it manually. So male, female and maybe others, and then okay. So now what I can do is I can click on this one where I have the list and I can select whichever I like. So this is only useful if you have only 2-3 options, but suppose if you have more options, then what you can do is you can at first create a source and then you can use that source to create a drop down list. For example, I have address here, or let me make it rather country. So I have this country here and I have to select to which countries does this people belong. Now countries can be many, so what I can do is I can create a source like this one. I can create it in the same page or I can create it in a different sheet. So after that what I will do, I will select those column where I have to enter the country. Then again I can go on this data validation, click list under allow, and here in the source what I can do is if it is in the same page or same sheet, I can select all the sources and then okay. Now you can see a drop down list has been created. Now suppose if the source is in the other sheet, then what I can do is in that case also I can select and then I can go to this data validation and under allow list source, and then I can click on the sheet where I have the source and then I can select okay. So you can see a list has been created. Now there is another method also, which is by using offset formula. So in that case what I will do, again I will select all the columns where I have to enter the country, and then I can go to this data validation and then I can select list here, and here I will enter a formula is equal to offset and then open a bracket, and if the source is on the same page you can select it. If the source is on the other sheet, you can select the other sheet. For me I will select the same sheet, and then comma, this 0 denotes the row and other 0 denotes column. So you have to always put this 0 and then here you will see how many data you have, 1 2 3 4. So 4 comma 4 and then close the bracket. So this dollar denotes the range data, and this 0 denotes rows and other 0 denotes column, and then 4 denotes how many data you have, and then okay. Now if you click here, you can again select the drop down list. Now again what I will do, let me select all of this column, go to this data validation, and there are 2 more tabs here, which is input message, and here what you can type a message, please select country. What happens when cell is selected, this message will be displayed. And again let me go to this error alert, and when user will enter invalid data, then what I will do is I will show this message, wrong country selected, or you can also write this country is not in the list. Okay, now if I select this cell, you can see this message is displayed, please select country. And suppose if I will type a country name which is not in the list, let me see what happens. You can see a message, wrong country selected. So you can also use these two features, which is very important. Now in case if you want to remove this data validations, what you can do, select the column up to where you have entered the data validation, go to data validation, settings, clear all. You also have to go to each of the tab and clear all if you have used, and then OK. Now you can see that the data validation is removed. So in this way you can create a drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification.